Hello everyone, welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tour. Just about to set off in the car. The caravan's been in for its second annual service. The keys are ready to pick up. I don't know how it went. I'm just going to go down there, pay the man and see what the results of the service are. Hopefully damp is fine and it's getting a wash at the moment, so let's see when we get there. Right, I'm at Wonder Homes, who are our dealers and storage and people that do our services. And moment of truth, let's go and see how the caravan got on into service and, you know, the dreaded damp report. Fingers crossed. You hear so many horror stories, don't you? But hopefully, I imagine the majority of caravans don't have problems, but let's go and see. Right, just been to see the guy, paid for it. It looks like a clean bill of health, to be honest. Everything's checked. I'll try and drop in some pictures of the check sheets and the damp report stuff. But everything's passed. Everything looks like it's in tip-top condition. Damp readings are very low. They're actually, I think every single one's less than 10. But I'll have a look in a second properly, which is even less than last year's, which I'll try and get on the screen. It has been particularly dry weather for the last 2 or 3 weeks, so I would imagine atmospherics and how dry everything's been makes a huge difference to your damp readings. But I think they say, don't they say if it's above 20, that's when you start investigating it and stuff like that. But everything's like really low. It's about as low as you can get it. So I mean, obviously everything's got a bit of wet to it. But yeah, that's all good stuff. Now we just need to take everything back and put it all back in the caravan and get it all ready for our next trip. So next day we've come back to the caravan to load it up again with all the bits and bobs. We're just hoping that we don't forget anything, because last thing you want to do, you have to empty loads of stuff out, don't you? And then you put it all back in again, then you worry that next time you go away you've forgotten something.
And you just wonder whether or not that's what goes in the caravan, or if it's supposed to be at home anyway.
Exactly. I've had a look at the damp readings and they look about the same, to be honest. When I've had a look at them in isolation afterwards, they look about exactly the same as they were last thing, so nothing's changed, everything seems to be good. So now all we've got to do is just grab the stuff out of the caravan, the stuff out of the car and stick it all back in the caravan, which should be fun. Lovely warm day to do it in. Take it out, put it back in, take it out, put it back in. Grass nice and cut as well. What we did forget was that we haven't brought the aqua roll and the wastewater, so we have left some stuff at home, so we'll go and get those and put it back in later on. So
It's heavy.
it's hard work, isn't it, moving stuff backwards and forwards? But yeah, I think we've got everything virtually back. We've got a couple of things, haven't we?
Yes, like aqua roll.
Just non-essentials like the water and the waste. And I think there might be a couple of bits of bedding that we might have got. I'm not sure about pillows, have we? I don't know. But
No.
yeah, and so most of it's back, so that's not too bad, is it?
No, probably need like a checklist or something to remember what stays in the caravan and what doesn't stay in the caravan.
Yeah, that's for organised people, isn't it? Yeah. But it's very important that you do, especially if you bought a new caravan, it's very important that you do get a regular service on your caravan. Just keeps an eye on the damp, keeps an eye on all the appliances and everything's fitting, working right. And it just keeps your warranty going as well, doesn't it?
Keeps the warranty going and peace of mind as well, because obviously with all these gas appliances and things, you want to make sure, you know,
yeah, it's
everything's fine.
Yeah, it's important to do. I think even if you've got an older caravan, it's probably worth getting your car service from time to time. Caravan service from time to time just keeps you peace of mind, doesn't it? That everything's working and going. So anyway, but thanks for watching our little put stuff back in the caravan and our service results. We're quite happy. It seems to be fine, because you hear so many bad stories, don't you, of people having issues with caravans.
Yeah, and I really feel for them, because obviously your caravan's like your second home, isn't it? And you you spend a reasonable amount of money on a caravan, and you know it's there to be enjoyed, and then when it's causing you grief, it's not what it's there for, is it?
No, exactly. Should be. It's there for holidays and vacations and enjoyment, isn't it? Not for stressing about.
Yeah.
So, but thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you
Like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.
see you soon.
Bye.